and discuss the question answers today. Okay, so let's just continue with the questions part. Page number 24. NCRT questions, we will discuss them first, and I would be sharing some MCQs with you. Okay, also you have to submit, complete and submit. So question number 1 is comment on the influence of English, the language and the way of people on Indian life as reflected in the story. What is the narrator's attitude of to English language? Okay, you have to first of all comment on the influence of English, how English had influenced the language of people and also their way of life. This is one part of the question. And then the second part is what is the narrator's attitudes to English? Yes. Yes, Joy. At present people are more convicted towards the English because at this time they are doing the thing like a flock of a sheep, and they are following the customs of Englishmen, and also some of them are also mixing the cultures of English and their native language. The narrator is primarily concerned with this because he considered that mixing two languages is a disrespect for the your native language. Yes, very good. So he says that mixing of two language, whatever has happened, that is mixing of English words into bringing in of English words into your own language, into your mother tongue, is disgraceful, is shameful. And he very sarcastically he remarks and he says that English, he terms it as a priceless commodity. So that is it is a sarcastic remark. When he says that English is a priceless commodity, he says it sarcastically, and he doesn't like this intervention and doesn't like this intrusion or interference of English into one's mother tongue or the native language that you have. ठीक है, आपकी मदर टंग में इंग्लिश का आना और उसके वर्ड्स आपने अपनी लैंग्वेज में मिक्स करना. He says that this is disgraceful. And what is disgraceful? Shameful. It is shameful. And then he tells about an incident that happened in the story about 10 years ago. And what was that incident? When people, when वो incident बाद में आएगा, when accountant was the first one, no, not Rama Rao, Ranga, who was the accountant's son, he was the first one to go to Bangalore to study what? To pursue his higher studies. And that at that point of time, English was considered to be an alien language, a kind of a foreign language. Foreign language क्या होती है? जिसको आपके सीखने के लिए आपको थोड़े क्या करने पड़ते हैं? Efforts करने पड़ते हैं. ठीक है? And at that point of time, 10 years ago, English words, they had not invaded the Indian languages as such. इतनी ज़्यादा उनकी intervention, इतनी interference नहीं थी उस time पे. ठीक है? और and then he says now it has mixed into the native language, and this thing is what? What is this thing, Arham? This is disgraceful, or you can say shameful. And then he gives an example which Sumit had just talked about. That example is the coming in of the use of the word change. ठीक है, जो word change use किया था किसने? Who had used that word change? Who had used that? Rama Rao's son had used that word change, and when he spoke to a poor woman who had come to sell firewood, and when he just said that I don't have change, please come the next morning. She couldn't understand that word, and even the narrator could not make out what he meant. It was only when he meant Ranga that he understood that this word, what this word means. ठीक है, तो ये दो incidents हैं. और फिर वो उसके बाद then what is he talking about? What else does he talk about?
The naming of the child.
Yes. Yes, the name of the child, naming the child after someone you like. This is also an English custom. Okay, so that is it. And what is the narrator's attitude to English? We have already talked about it. It's included in the answer that we have discussed. क्या attitude है उसका? Yes, he feels that he doesn't like this intervention or intrusion. Okay, what is intrusion? To invade someone else's territory. तो ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? लैंग्वेज की बात कर रहे हैं. Got it? Muskan, please turn your mic off. ठीक है? Question: astrologers' perceptions are based more on hearsay and conjecture than what they learn from the study of the stars. Comment with reference to the story. ठीक है? They say that astrologers, whatever they perceive,
Whatever their perceptions are based on hearsay. And what is hearsay? Whatever people speak, उनका कोई proof नहीं होता, ठीक है? It's like a rumor जो आप इधर उधर से सुनते हो. And what is conjecture? Conjecture is again a formation of an opinion without any evidence or proof.
Mere assumption.
ठीक है, assumption है, guess है, ठीक है? So the question is, astrologers' perceptions are based on hearsay and conjecture. Then what they learn from the study of the stars, comment with reference to the story. यहाँ पे हमारा astrologer कौन है? Who was the astrologer? Shastri. So whatever he said, did he predict it on the basis of the stars?
No.
Or whatever, you know, he said whatever he said, he was just tutored about it. So you have to base your answer on this and then you have to respond. हाँ जी, कौन बताएगा? Online students में से कोई बताएगा? Anyone from among the online students, those who had attended the chapter, the class yesterday and on Monday, astrology. क्या सोचते हैं लोग इसके बारे में वैसे? It's study of stars. Yes, Mehak. Comes as a long answer question. What are you going to say about it? Just 2 lines. कैसे? How would you explain? How would you? महकदीप. अब महक ने ऑनलाइन आंसर दिया है, महकदीप would give offline. हाँ जी महकदीप बोलो.
First paragraph में लिखते हैं कि the astrology is based on a study of stars and prediction on the basis of stars. But the second paragraph with contrast to the story that the Shastri was different to say so, and he said whatever was told to him, and there was nothing based on the stars. So he concluded saying that it is
Yes.
stars.
Yes, good. Add to it, Kriti. Add to the answer.
It's not actually necessary that an astrologer has to be genuine. They could also be duping someone.
So you have to be, people need to be beware of the people who dupe or the quacks. You can say the quacks. There are so many people रास्ते में भी बैठे होते हैं कि हमारा हाथ देके आप बताएंगे आपको, ठीक है? तोता बताएगा आपको आपका फ्यूचर, ठीक है? So you need to be aware of all those people, all those quacks, and because they are only there to make money, ठीक है? कोई उनकी scientific knowledge नहीं, कोई scientific basis नहीं है, ठीक है? And in the story also, sit down, Kiti. In this story also the astrologer, and who was the astrologer? Shastri. He also, along with the narrator, whatever he told, he had been tutored about it by the narrator. So, and you have to talk about the narrator also. Who was the narrator? Shama. You will talk about the narrator. He knew very well that Ranga had developed a kind of a liking for that 11-year-old girl. What was the name of the girl? Ratna. And he wanted that they both should get married. So for that, and he knew Ranga's views also on marriage, and he wanted to have their alliance fixed up. So for that, he met the astrologer, he met Shastri, and he tutored him about each and everything. And Shastri, even though later on contradicted it, that whatever he said, he could have found it out from his calculations too. But in the story, we don't see him telling anything from his knowledge of the stars, from his knowledge of astrology, apart from the fact that whatever he said was tutored by Shama the narrator. Okay, so he sarcastically also in the story, we see that sarcastically the narrator says that it was a marvelous shastra. What a marvelous shastra you had. So वो उसने what is sarcasm? What is sarcasm? हाँ, जब आप किसी का मजाक उड़ा रहे होते हो, व्यंग कर रहे होते हो, ठीक है? So that is, he did not, and the astrologer did not take it very well. उसने अच्छी तरह से उसको लिया नहीं, उसको अच्छी नहीं लगी ये बात. But we as readers know that whatever Shama said was,
according to him, the Shama statement was just a mere hint, and it was his own explanation according.
But it was not his. We know it that it was not his own explanation. He did not develop on the hints. He actually said exactly the same thing what he had been told to say. So he defended himself by saying that I could have found it out, but from the story, it is clear that he didn't find out anything. But he said whatever he had heard from the narrator. Indian society has moved a long way from the way the marriage is arranged in the story discussed. ये तो पता ही है आपको, ठीक है? This story was written how long back? Many years back, when child marriages were prevalent. So अब तो ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है? And what is the change that has come in the Indian society? That is what you have to write in this question, in the answer. But how would you respond to it? Yes, Sumit.
In the past Indian society, marriages were arranged by the parents and child marriages were normal. But in present time, child marriages are banned, and because the person is not mature emotionally, mentally to get married at a younger age, and women have become more independent. They go for work and they are competing with men.
Yes. So they are at par with the males. Okay. The men. Yes. Next is, what kind of a person do you think the narrator is? This is the character sketch of the narrator. What do you think? What do you know about the narrator? What can you tell about the narrator? Character sketch of the narrator. Somebody who's not answered before from among the online students or offline students. Joy and Sumit, we've already answered. Anybody who has not answered before. What kind of a person do you think the narrator is? Bolo? कैसा है about his behavior, the way he narrates story, कैसे story narrate करता है, style कैसा है story narration का? Yes, he's a very talkative person. He loves to talk, keeps on talking on and on and on.
Love for his
Good
city.
sense of
He has a very good sense of humor.
Love for his city.
He has a great love for his,
City
yes,
and
He is a
culture.
matchmaker.
he's a matchmaker,
Strategist.
he's a strategist. Yes,
His own culture.
he loves his culture, he loves his village, he's very attached to his village. He speaks, that is why he speaks very glowingly about it. And then he's very critical of the people who give so much of importance to English language and who bring in English words into their own mother tongue. And he's sarcastic also. And even though he loves to talk a lot, and he apologizes also for the same thing time and again. He says, I hope you're not getting bored. I'm sorry that I started from somewhere. So he's got a very good way to interact with the readers. Okay, and also he values people like Ranga. He feels that Ranga is a very generous a considerate kind of a person, and he should find a good match for him. He feels that he should be of some service to the society, and he takes it upon himself the responsibility of finding a good match for Ranga. Okay, so you can add on to it. Anybody who wants to add on to the qualities of the narrator, he or she can do the same. Do the needful. Online students, आप भी कुछ बोल लो बच्चे.
Love for the local customs.
Yes, he has got great love for the local customs, the traditions that we have. ठीक है?
He meddles in Ranga's life.
Yes, he meddles, he interferes in
Without his consent.
without his consent, even though it turns out to be good for Ranga. But if you,
People usually don't like it.
yes, nowadays people don't like it. People meddling into your life, into your personal life, and into your own space. Yes.
And moreover, his statement also contradicts himself, as he also went to the Ranga's place for seeing him when he returned to the Bangalore, and he was taunting other that it's not a monkey show.
No, he didn't go to see him. He just met him, I guess, on the way.
No, he went there. He went there because there was so much of crowd gathered there, so he went there. Because of the crowd, he also went there. Okay, so that is all about this. The questions, the NCRT questions. There are 4 questions that we have discussed. You need to do all 4 questions in your registers, plus the MCQs that I would be sharing in your Google Classroom. ठीक है? क्योंकि आपका जो आपका first term है, that is totally based on MCQs. Okay, but MCQs are not going to be that simple and that direct as you got in your unit test. इतने simple नहीं आएंगे. उसमें आपका assertion, reason वाले questions होंगे. उसमें आपके facts, opinion वाले questions होंगे. You would know. It would be centralized. It would be centralized paper, and we would be discussing some such questions also with you after we finish off with the syllabus. Yes, assertion, reason, facts, opinion, each and everything is going to come. Chapter. Let me just share. We have 10 minutes to go. If I can just share that assignment, let me try and share that assignment with you so that we can discuss those MCQs also. How does this narrator speak of his village? I'm going to read out the options because you are not having them with you. Okay? How does the narrator speak of his village? नहीं मैंने बुक में नहीं भेजी. Passively, vividly, inadequately, indifferently. How does he speak of his village? Online students, can you see it? How does the narrator speak of his village? Passively,
आपको पिक किया तो पिन से हटा दो.
vividly, inadequately, indifferently. Vividly. ठीक है, इतना टाइम भी नहीं है मेरे पास बेटा. Mention as a priceless commodity. Online students, what does the narrator mention as a priceless commodity? His native language. Yes. Options are his native language, mangoes of his village, flowers of his village, English language. Very simple. It is English language. Why was Ranga's homecoming a big event? This is the question. Options are because he brought gifts for everyone, because he was new in the village, because he returned from Bangalore after studying there, because he showed respect to all. Yes. Option C. It is 3. 1, 2, 3 करके बोलना है आपने, ठीक है? यहाँ पे ABC नहीं है. You cannot see, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is option 3. After knowing that Ranga was the same, the crowd was. Options dash, you know, the options are disappointed, happy, angry, irritated.
Disappointed.
Yes, disappointed. The crowd was disappointed. Okay, because they were curious to see what changes would be there in Ranga, but when they found no change, they got disappointed. They were sad. How does the narrator speak of Ranga's character? He was annoyed with his attitude. He spoke highly of the boy. He remarks that Ranga could be easily fooled. He is not impressed by Ranga at all.
Second.
He speaks highly of the boy.
He spoke highly of the boy. Good. As for his namaskar to me, he did not do it like any present day boy. What does it tell about Ranga? He was well mannered. He was disrespectful. He ignored the villagers. He did not know how to do namaskar.
First.
He was well mannered. Yes, option B. Good. He was well mannered. Next, what was Ranga's initial take on marriage? He wanted to marry immediately. He wanted to marry a girl chosen by his parents. He wanted to marry someone of his choice. He already had chosen whom to marry. Option? Yes, it is option B. He wanted to marry someone of his choice. According to Ranga, what type of a girl should one marry? Mature and understanding, young and beautiful, rich and fashionable, none of the above. It is option 1, mature and understanding. How does the narrator describe Ratna? His pretty niece from the village, a pretty girl of 11 from a big town, Rama Rao's daughter, an educated, mature girl. Yes. A pretty girl of 11 from a big town, so option 2 is the correct option. Okay? She was married a year ago. Hearing this, Ranga was thrilled, disappointed, unconcerned, surprised. Disappointed. Yes. Why did Shastri say that it was not important to know Ranga's star? Because Shastri already knew about him. Because Shastri was told about him beforehand by the narrator. Because Shastri was not interested about Ranga. Because Shastri knew that Ranga's stars were not favorable.
Second.
Yes. So he was told about him beforehand by the narrator. That is the correct option. So it is option 2. What sort of cue? What is cue? C-U-E.
A line.
What sort of cue did Shastri suggest for the girl's name? Clue. Clue से बना है cue, hint. ठीक है? C-U-E is kind of a hint. What sort of cue did Shastri suggest for the girl's name? Something found in the forest, something found in the ocean, something found in the sky, something found on the land. Yes. Which one is the wrong statement? The narrator was looking for a match for Ranga because he considered himself to be Ranga's village guardian. He thought Ranga was a decent man and deserved a good wife. He wanted to marry and asked him to find a match. He felt Ratna would prove to be a good wife for Ranga. It's the wrong statement. Wrong batani hai. Okay? Ranga wanted to marry and asked him to find a match. So third is the wrong statement. Okay? So that is it. Only 3 minutes are left. So I'll just take your attendance. That's it. That's all for today. Just complete the assignment in time. Okay, I will be sharing it today. I will.